In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to know the size of your designs here in Canva. Now, there's a couple of different ways that we can do this. First way is by coming up to the Resize button just here. Then if we click on there, come to Custom Size, it's going to tell us the size of our design just here. So for this example, this is 210 by 297 millimeters. Now, we can also use Resize or Magic Resize to resize the design as well, but you do need a Canva Pro account. Now, another way to know the size is by simply clicking on File, and then it's going to tell you just here, Document A4 210 millimeters by 297 millimeters. Now, you might not know the size because you're using a Canva template. Now, if we come over to Canva templates, let's just click off there, but all of these are also going to tell you the size of that design. So if we click on one, it's going to tell you just here, 21 times 29.7 centimeters. If we click on a different one just there, again, it's still going to tell us just here. But nonetheless, that's just how simple it is to know the size here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.